Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm back again with another video. I'm here to talk about business credit and financing. I made a shift inside my business. I'm still doing my mentorship and coaching for new tech professionals. I'm only taking so many for the year. But moving forward on the front end, I'll be helping small businesses leverage business credit and financing to start and grow and scale their business. So if you're interested in learning how to do that, you want to learn more about that, you can definitely reach out to me at 773-782-1320. I'll definitely be grateful and excited uh, to help you to the best of my ability answer your questions and concerns you may have on how to leverage business credit to start and grow your business. Because see, people don't understand. I've heard business credit for years, but I never truly investigated and looked into how leveraging business credit can help me grow my business. Because some of the stuff I'm going to talk about in this video is going to be like the foundation to you being fundable, you being credible with vendors and lenders when it comes to you trying to get credit and loans for your business. That must be in place first. So when it comes to leveraging business credit to start and grow a business, the most common way to do that, if you're a startup who don't have credit, collateral, or cash, then we look at your personal credit score and history. If you got a great credit score and history, we can leverage that possibly to help you get the cash you need to start your business venture and grow and move from there. If you're a person that don't have great credit on the personal side and a history at all, then we have to look at strictly business credit to get you started and get you up and running to put you in a place where one day you can start to get the funds you need to grow and scale your business. And so regardless of where you're at in your journey, worst case scenario, like I said, if you're one of those people who has a lousy credit history and score about personal, then we just have to strictly focus on building your business credit in a way that's going to allow you to get funding down the road. And you got to come to understand this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is not a overnight matter. This takes time to set up. The fundability that we talk about is the foundational piece that every business needs to have. Now, when I first got started with my business, I had the foundation piece in place and didn't realize, because at that time I wasn't looking to grow my business using business credit at all. So I had no information on how leveraging business credit can help me grow my business much faster, much quicker than I can do on my own. So it wasn't a thing back then when I got started. But now that I know what I know, I have to reposition myself to put things in place on the front end of my business so I can become fundable and credible to vendors and people who loan out money and credit to the businesses who looking to use it to start and grow their business. And so some of the things I'm going to talk about today will be like your business name. The business name is important, especially if you're in a high-risk industry already and you're using a business name that's in a high-risk industry already. Say, for instance, right now, this tax season, we're on Facebook. We have all these different tax services promoting their business, and a lot of them have tax preparation as part of their business name. On top of the fact that in a high-risk industry doesn't help. Me, I'm using my own name as a business, which means you don't know what industry I serve, what product or service that I do. You have to ask me. And so that's the beauty of me using my own name. For someone who's using a high-risk industry already, and you're using a name that is included in your business name, then we want to change that, because certain industries it's going to be hard for you to get funding and credit. And so when it comes to that, I'm working with a company called Credit Suite. I'm part of a loan business broker program where we help small businesses learn how to leverage business credit to grow and scale their business. And so we look at all different aspects of your personal credit as well as your possible business credit, if any, to find out where we go from here when it comes to helping you get started and get established. And so my goal in 2024 and beyond is to help small business owners who have a desire and an interest to learn how to leverage business credit to start and grow and scale their business. Because see, the biggest problem with a lot of small businesses is that we get started where we have to, meaning a lot of times we don't have the necessary capital / cash flow that we need to have sufficiently in the first place to even start a business. So we basically start bootstrap. We start out from the whole perspective. We basically finance our own business with whatever we have, and it's never sufficient enough to get us started in the right way. And so that's the biggest problem for small businesses who want to start a business, is that if I had to wait to go out and get traditional funding from anybody, I would never start a business, because it's not at my access. It's not at my disposal to even get. So I had to start where I had to start and make the best of a situation, because my goal and my desire and my passion for having a business and being my own boss and being the leader of my own destiny was important to me. So for the person who has a business already and you don't have this fundability, we call it, in place, then it costs money to put that in place. Business name, business address, email address and website, professional email address and website, business bank account, credit monitoring. If you don't have cash flow, collateral, credit, then we have to take a look at definitely getting you started simply from a business credit perspective. Merchant accounts, business license, all these different things cost an investment of your time and money to get set up when it comes to being in business. And so that's an initial investment just right there with getting your business phone number, your business address, your email and website, your business account, your merchant accounts, your credit monitoring in play, business license. Those things come with a small investment. So maybe everything that's on this list I mentioned, based on what vendors you go through for the whole year, you might cost you $1,000. Just as an example's sake. Not count what you need to operate a business daily to allow you to go out and create cash flow inside your business. It takes money to make money. And so if you want to learn how to leverage business credit to grow your business faster, give you access to credit and capital and cash that you traditionally wouldn't be able to get by yourself, then this video and every other video that I'm going to do is talking to you, because I'm on the same path to using myself as a case study on how I'm going to go out here and help other small businesses leverage business credit to grow and scale their business, but I'm not doing the same. It makes no sense. So I'm going to walk you through the things that I've done to become fundable. We call it fundability / foundation / credibility, because see, it's the small things that you don't even think about that you get denied for. People got their own agenda, and they tell you what they want you to believe and understand and know. They might tell you you need to be in business 2 years, you need to make so much annually, and that would be nice if you at that point. But if you're not, that don't mean you can't build business credit and eventually get funding for your business down the road. So don't let people's agenda throw you off on what you can accomplish. You know what I'm saying? So I'm here to help you with my team. I have a team of people that's already in place to help walk you through fundability. And that's the foundational piece of establishing business credit. Without having fundability put in place, I don't care how much money you make inside your business, how long you've been in business, you won't establish business credit. You might luck up and get a card here and there, but to build business credit and funding in the way needed to grow and scale and take your business to a whole nother level, you'll never get there without fundability being in place. It just won't happen. We have people who've made millions of dollars inside their business who can't get business credit, and they don't understand why. And it's the small things. It's the things on the front end that has you not being deemed credible. You're using a Gmail account or a Yahoo account or an Outlook account for an email. That's not professional. You using a home address versus a virtual office or a brick and mortar address is crucial. We're in a time and place now where a lot of businesses don't need a traditional brick and mortar address, and we understand that. So we use virtual offices as a way to counteract the fact that I don't need a brick and mortar business to do business anymore based on the time and place we're in now. So I'm going through Alliance for my virtual office. I'm using RingCentral for my business number. I've updated my Secretary of State's information to reflect my current business address and phone number. Everything that I had to redo and restructure has to be done across the board. So when I put in an application for credit and they hit these different places that they do their research to make sure that my information lines up, that it come back to being the same. I just had to spend an extra $25 because I forgot to put the word Suite 810 on my virtual office address. But it's worth it because the big picture is I'm going to be able to leverage business credit and financing to grow and scale my business. So an extra $25 is a joke compared to what I'm going to get. So if you want to become a business loan broker, because that's the term we use in Credit Suite for being able to leverage this opportunity to make money from. It's an investment to make that happen. Don't get me wrong, because to make money, you got to spend money. So it's an investment to become a business loan broker with Credit Suite. And if you want to learn more about that, you know what I'm saying, you can reach out to me at 773-782-1320, or you can email me at info@workwiththomas.com, and I can send you over a link that you can click on, fill out. Someone from Credit Suite will reach out to you the same day based on what time of the day you put that application in, and talk to you about becoming a business loan broker and how that works and what the investment would be. And y'all work out the terms and conditions of that based on where you at as far as your finances, and all will be well. So if you want to use this as an income revenue and at the same time learn how to leverage business credit and financing to grow your own business, then definitely be a part of the product and service that you're offering other people. Be a product of the product. So you can let people know these are the things I had to do to get myself fundable, and these are the steps I'm taking to carry out being able to leverage business credit and financing to grow and scale my business. And so if it's working for me, it's definitely work for you. You got to do the work. You got to show up. You got to make it happen. Share this video with someone that you know that's looking to learn how to leverage business credit for their own business, and they want to offer this as a service, as an additional income to help other small businesses do the same. And I'll see you in my next video.